Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Aisha Salim. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss another topic of chapter number 12, that is about dwarf planets. So the SLO that we are going to cover in this lecture is to differentiate between planets and dwarf planets. हम अपने lecture को further proceed करते हैं with few questions in order to brainstorm few ideas. So quickly imagine a group of small mysterious planets other than the 8 planets of solar system, and quickly answer me that what do you think these planets might be like. Quickly think about this question and jot down your ideas. Very good. So dear students, a few years back we have 9 planets in the solar system. The last one was Pluto, that is the 9th planet of solar system, but then it was reclassified as dwarf planet. और अब हम सोलर सिस्टम के अंदर अपने इस 9th planet को काउंट नहीं करते. मजीद हमारे पास सिमिलरली मतलब इसी तरह we have some other objects that are not truly planets but they orbit around the sun, and such planets have enough mass to assume nearly a round shape but they are not moon. इसी तरह के planets हमारे पास कुछ हैं जिनको हम अभी डिस्कस करते हैं, that are 6 like Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake and 2007 or 10. These are the dwarf planets. In order to become a dwarf planet, that celestial body must meet 2 out of 3 criteria of the true planet. The first one is to be in orbit around the sun. The second one is to have enough gravity to pull its own mass into a round shape. These type of celestial bodies are known as dwarf planets. So, in simple words, we define dwarf planets as the celestial bodies that are present in between the planets and the minor bodies of solar system. और इन planets को हम dwarf planets का नाम देते हैं. फर्दर हमारे पास इसी नॉलेज को अप्लाई करते हुए एक स्किल है, that is 12.4 to 12.5. The link of which is given in the description of this video. You can easily get access to this link by clicking to this worksheet by clicking on the link. So here's the skill sheet. यहाँ पर आपको एक diagram दी गई है, that is basically the Venn diagram. So by keeping in mind the characteristics of the planet and the dwarf planet, quickly solve this Venn diagram. और इसको solve करने के बाद आप यहाँ नीचे दिए गए question का भी आंसर करेंगे, that based on your above information, where do you classify Pluto, a planet or a dwarf planet? You also have to give the reason for your answer. So quickly pause the video for a few minutes and solve this worksheet. Very good. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने इसको इजीली सॉल्व कर लिया होगा. एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज लेसन. इंशाल्लाह अपने अगले लेक्चर के अंदर हम अपने फर्दर टॉपिक्स को डिस्कस करेंगे, मजीद कुछ हेवनली बॉडीज को डिस्कस करेंगे. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.